Ever feel like you're swimming upstream, battling against the current? Life feels like a constant struggle, a push against resistance. You're exhausted, but the finish line seems miles away. What if there's a different way? Daoism, an ancient Chinese philosophy, introduces us to Wu Wei, a counterintuitive concept that translates to effortless action or non-doing. It's not about being passive, but about aligning yourself with life's natural flow. Imagine a leaf floating down a stream. It doesn't fight the current, it simply allows itself to be carried along. That's Wu Wei. In essence, Wu Wei is about understanding the natural order of things and working with it, not against it. It's about recognizing that forcing a situation often leads to resistance and struggle. Instead, Wu Wei encourages us to be like water, adaptable and fluid, finding our own path within the existing currents. Think about a rushing river. Trying to swim directly against it is exhausting and futile. But what if instead we learn to ride the currents, to use the river's power to propel us forward? That's the essence of Wu Wei. Imagine a surfer riding a wave. They are in perfect harmony with the ocean, moving with grace and ease. They don't create the wave, nor do they fight it. Instead, they observe, they wait, and they understand the rhythm of the sea. When the right moment comes, they catch the wave and effortlessly glide with the energy that's already there, becoming one with the water. This is Wu Wei in action. It's the art of doing without doing, of flowing with the natural currents of life. It's about recognizing opportunities as they arise, staying flexible, and trusting the natural flow of events. Just like a surfer adjusts their stance to maintain balance, we too must adapt to the changing tides of life. It's about finding that sweet spot where effort dissolves into effortless action, where you are fully present and in sync with the moment. Think about those moments when a brilliant idea seems to appear out of thin air, often when you're relaxed and not actively searching. It's in these moments of stillness and ease that true creativity flows. That's Wu Wei at work, guiding you towards effortless creativity. Embrace the flow, trust the process, and let the natural rhythm of life carry you forward. Wu Wei in action. From study breaks to trusting your team. Wu Wei isn't some abstract concept. It has practical applications in our daily lives. It's about finding the balance between effort and ease, and knowing when to step back. For students, it's about understanding that constant cramming can be counterproductive. Overloading the brain with information without giving it time to process can lead to burnout and decreased performance. Taking breaks, going for a walk, or simply letting the mind wander can lead to better retention and understanding. These moments of rest allow the brain to consolidate information and make new connections. In the workplace, Wu Wei can be seen in delegating tasks and trusting your team. It's about recognizing that you don't have to do everything yourself to achieve success. Trying to control everything leads to stress and burnout. Micromanaging not only exhausts you, but also stifles the creativity and productivity of your team. Instead, by empowering others and fostering a collaborative environment, work flows more smoothly and efficiently. Trusting your team members to handle their responsibilities can lead to innovative solutions and a more harmonious workplace. Embracing Wu Wei. Tips for tapping into effortless living. Wu Wei, a concept from Taoism, translates to non-doing or effortless action. It's about aligning with the natural flow of life, rather than fighting against it. So how can we incorporate Wu Wei into our lives? Start by cultivating mindfulness. Mindfulness is the practice of being fully present in the moment, aware of where we are and what we're doing. Pay attention to your breath, your thoughts, and your surroundings. Notice the sensations in your body and the sounds around you. Notice where you're resisting the natural flow. Are there areas in your life where you feel tension or struggle? These are signs that you might be pushing against the current. Practice acceptance of what is, letting go of the need to control every outcome. Listen to your intuition. Your inner voice often knows the path of least resistance. It often whispers the most effortless path forward. Trusting your intuition can lead to more harmonious and fulfilling experiences. Trust that things will unfold as they should. This doesn't mean being passive, but rather being in tune with the natural rhythm of life. By aligning ourselves with the natural rhythm of the universe, we can navigate life with greater ease and grace. This alignment allows us to move through challenges with a sense of calm and purpose. Embracing Wu Wei is an ongoing journey, not a destination. It's a continuous practice of finding balance and harmony in our actions and thoughts. Enjoying the video? If you're finding this fascinating, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with others who might appreciate it, and drop your thoughts in the comments. And hey, if you're not subscribed yet, make sure to click that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on more thought-provoking content. Remember, the river of life is always flowing. We can choose to swim against the current or to flow with it.